So we are up, I'd like to say bright and early in the morning, but it's closer to lunchtime now. But we're finally up here getting these tires changed out real quick. Tonight is the night of tour destruction. So welcome back to the channel, guys. We're going to get right into it and start mounting some tires, and then we'll see you at the track.
You want to drift this curve?
Yeah, let's do it. Please don't. Go, Mom.
She broke loose a little bit.
Once we get a cam and then nitrous on this thing, yeah, it's going to be hard to stop in a burnout comp, let's put it that way.
Yeah.
It's going to be one of the top contenders, I think, just like Victoria.
I really think so. It's going to, because I mean, what it does stock right now, just a welded diff.
It does really good.
Cheap headers, like,
we're
really
going to have to show y'all the exhaust after we part, but the exhaust looks so good.
Oh, it's amazing.
The welds look like crap, but the rest of it, the colors on it, the blues, the purples, it looks so good. Well, we're about ready to head out to tour destruction. We're going to take this back home and then load the Vic on the trailer, and then we'll head up there. So we'll show you the exhaust and load up the trailer, and then we'll see you at the track.
Hey, y'all want to see how good my brakes are?
Probably not very.
Brake check? Show the pedal.
Well, just hope we don't need to stop.
Yeah, for real.
Let's show y'all this exhaust real quick. Oh man, it looks so good. It's so blue and all the purples and everything. Oh man, it looks so good. Wakey wakey, Victoria. What you think about them race car noises?
Huh?
Here we go.
Huh?
Mercedes.
Mercedes, Crown Book. Dude, so at one point you had the front wheels already over it, but your back tire was coming up on it, and the whole ramp just literally folded back, like completely. That's when my face went like.
I was about to say, what do you mean folded back?
Like it was literally like popped up here. Off the track.
Off the trailer?
Yeah, it was like off the track, but you were on it, and I was just like, hey, just keep on coming.
I was wondering why your face was like that.
Yeah.
Stop, like, do I keep going? What's going on?
I was
here?
just like, just keep on going.
Well, she's on there.
Look at this trim. This trim's a little popped. Well, no, the trunk's popped. I don't know.
Frick.
That's popped in. I'm pretty sure the whole back end's tweaked. We need to bring in some stickers. We can add 2 more on there, hopefully by the end of the night.
Heck yeah. Should be able to.
Yep.
I don't know about the old truck over there, so you might struggle, but...
She ain't gonna struggle. She's got some good power.
We can't tell people that.
Yeah,
We gotta tell them it's all stock.
She's hardly running. She's
what I'm
misfiring
saying.
like 5 or 6 cylinders. I mean,
Yeah.
power steering pump might fly apart.
Now that is, you know, that is a worry.
possibility.
But no, other than that, she's all stock and she's just ready to rip.
We are out here, getting ready to unload the car, getting ready to make us some food, and we're gonna have us a good old time. Should be a pretty packed night tonight. They got a lot going on, a lot of extra racers over there. Boat trailer race, doing the skid race, doing demolition stuff. They're doing a lot of stuff. So should be a good time.
Stunt jump.
Stunt jump.
Yeah.
That's what a lot of
Stunt
people
jump.
come to see, I think.
Have you ever seen 2 prettier boats parked next to each other?
Hey, it's not even a dang Dodge, man. Come on. It's all right. It's the only Ford I'll ever love.
And it's got the heart of a Chevy.
That's why I love it. I'll tell you what, it's gonna be a fun event. I'm ready to do a hell of a tip in. Jordan's planning on doing a backwards tip in.
Backwards.
Yeah, you're gonna do it from the, instead of going left, you're gonna go right.
Oh, yeah. That's what
Not
I'm
backwards,
I'm
but
thinking
backwards.
about it. We'll figure out once I get in there. But
Maybe you should J-turn, it'd be kind of funny.
Oh, yeah.
Throw in reverse and then just whip it.
Yeah, grenade the transmission.
Yeah, grenade it. It'll be all right. You don't need those transmissions, do you?
You just neutral drop it and turn everything into neutral.
Probably break the drive shaft.
Probably. The 2 drive shafts we got, we'll break both of them.
Yeah.
Folks, it's always a good idea to check your coolant too.
You might want to stand back.
Yeah, just in case. It shouldn't go anywhere.
It should relieve the pressure out of the hole in the radiator. Right?
Well, I mean, I was about to say, it's not like it's boiling, so. What do we got here? We got water in there. It's probably close to the fill line around there, the full line. Yeah, if you want to, yeah.
Just
You want to go grab a jug? We got plenty of distilled water, so just add a jug to it. Yeah, that's a jug.
Pick up the case, throw it at it, get water.
Drink water. Well, everything's looking good. That exhaust is still looking very, very beautiful down there. If it would ever focus. There you go. Let's look at that nice blue down here. The vibrant blue. I love it. It looks so good. Well, we'll be going after intermission this time. Let me get out the good old card here.
Yeah, show them schedule.
We got a lot going on out here tonight. Enduro, then motorcycles, reverse race. I didn't know there was one out tonight.
Yeah.
2-wheel. What the hell does that mean?
2-wheel?
Oh, I
That's
guess
where
he's
they
doing
drive the
2-wheel on the
Dakota,
track, yeah. And then the chain race, and then stunt one, then intermission while he'll be setting up the cars over there for the jump. I don't know if it'll be those specific cars, but they'll be setting cars up for the jump over there. And we're not gonna have as big of a pad as I hoped. I don't think after they set them up. We'll have to see what it looks like, but I guess I might not be able to do as spicy of a tip in as I'd like, but still fun. We'll still have a good time. Well, this got a little bit closer for comfort. Right here in front of the truck. The whole fence came down all the way back to the dude in the green shirt, all the way over here in front of us. They hit right there in front of us. So everybody's good though. Truck's good. We're good.
Oh yeah. Slower. You think this will get you demonetized?
Probably.
Oh.
Sure real quick. I can pull it back off.
Oh yeah.
All right, Jason, we're starting our second half. Let's rock this thing. All right, racers, who's ready to rock it out? Hey, motorsports, they're right on that Calvin Gloria. It's just a few blows. We're talking about the rear tires of that came up first. The white Chevrolet pickup truck. He's going to come down here and do some burnouts for you.
Brother, she was spitting flames off the launch.
Really? Yeah, dude. You look fucking good. Hey, you're missing that tail light, buddy.
Let's see the aftermath. Oh, 2 pop tires on either side. We're
Dude, I
missing.
slung it in hard on the tip end.
Oh, brother. Frick, frick, frick,
It is.
frick.
I was second gear most of the time, then I shifted to third, and then after I blew the next one, I threw it back down to second.
That shit, it was running better than it ever has.
Yeah, dude, it's full power now. It was misfiring last time we brought it out here. It wasn't on full power.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
Yeah.
I enjoyed myself.
I was trying to get the camera high enough to look over those cars to see you.
Could you see me at all half the time?
Yeah, I could see you pretty good.
Heck yeah, dude.
I got you coming in, and there's nothing else.
Just nothing.
Oh man, dude, it's still smoked out. Look.
Look, it's the whole thing.
Oh my God.
Everything's smoked.
These aren't clouds, brother. This is smoke. Oh my goodness.
I got all of it from the ramp.
Oh,
through the
me
end.
too. How'd you like that?
Pretty cool. Feel the heat off of it.
Yeah.
Well, it's been a couple days after the event. Everything made it home good. Just wanted to end it off here, give a good outro saying big thanks to Tour Destruction for letting us come out, and we'll definitely be at the next event in South Carolina. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one.